Hi, this is Kelly. I'm so happy I finally got my Fab Fit Fun box, and I have been waiting for this. I haven't watched any spoilers, which I'm so proud of myself because I have been wanting to watch them so bad. I love watching unboxing videos, but I restrained myself. And I was good because I knew I wanted to be surprised. So, without further ado, let's go and open it. This is what it looks like from the outside. I like the scene. Nice and cozy, which I think is wonderful. So, okay. When you open it up, oh my, it looks like this. It's a big box. It's heavy. Okay, so there's a magazine. And I think this tells you, from what I understand, I think this tells you everything that's in here. So, there's all kinds of stuff in here. That's pretty cool. I'm excited about that. Then it says that we're hoping you enjoy all the amazing things that came in your winter box. You may notice that there's one customization item in the magazine that was not available to all members. The Chic and Tonic Outcoast to that 4-piece coaster set. Unfortunately, there's an issue with the factory and some of the coasters do not meet our standards. To ensure every box has the same great quality, we made the decision to exclude a portion of the coasters from the box. Instead, members are being treated to a surprise item that has a higher retail value of $25. So that's pretty cool. I thought that was nice that they put that in there. So you're not wondering what happened to it. So I thought that was pretty nice. Then, yeah, coupon, HelloFresh. And it's $60 gift card, $20 off your first 3 deliveries plus free shipping. So that's not too bad. Might check that out. So that can come in handy. And then redeem this gift card for $10 off your first Fab Fit Fun box. You give this to a friend, so maybe. Okay, now let's see here. Let's open this up. All right, one of the first things I see, Merci Beauty Anthropology Coconut Sugar Sea Whip Body Cream. Love the packaging. So pretty. It's like this iridescent color. Let's see. I'm so excited. I've been waiting for this for so long. I'm about as excited as probably Carrie is for her Beautylish box that she just filmed. If I could get the thingy off, that would be good. Safety seal is always a good thing. Whoa, that's a... my goodness. Woo. Oh. It goes on so smooth. Oh my goodness. I think I'm in love. Oh, smells so good and makes you want to take a nice tropical vacation. So I got that. Okay, let's see. Oh my goodness. Over the knee socks, which won't fit me, but I'll have to see if somebody, so we got that. Pretty nice pattern. I like that. So I got that. Let's see. Let me see what everything is here. Oh, that's not it. Looking for everything in my bag, my box here. Lots of pages to this magazine. Your year, no. I'll let Carrie look for the prices while I could keep going on. Should be able to find it easier than me. So, ooh, Lele Sadoe circle necklace. This circle necklace is the perfect introduction piece for every woman. Explore all of Lele Sadoe's geometric, feminine, and colorful designs online. And then it gives her website. Let me see what it looks like. Oh. So I'm trying to get into a good routine, skincare routine, trying to do my makeup, just trying to take some more me time. So this would be, ooh, oh my goodness, that is just beautiful. Oh, I love that, and that will go with everything. Okay, let's see, next. Ah, okay, she found it. Yay for Carrie. All right, so, oh. So the socks were $24, or it looks like you could have gotten the Jade Stone Roller or Pure Be Your Selfie palette. So I got the socks, so that's pretty nice. You could have gotten the Wave Will Elevate Essential Oil Set or the whipped body cream, which I got the whipped body cream and I am so happy that I got that. So got that. The necklace, you could have gotten Halston Jewelry Portfolio, Orbe Gold Lust Dry Shampoo, or the necklace. I got the necklace. This was $49. Oh, and the lotion was also $24. So I'm really happy with that. Love the necklace. Okay, let's see. I'm gonna pull this out because I'm just so excited about this. This is a Mark & Graham color block throw. I got the natural and ivy. This is $49 and this feels so nice. Oh my goodness. So nice. I can't wait to use that. So I got that. And then I got a Hava Hydrating Cream Mask. I like that. So you could have gotten, okay, so this you got is $33. And this was $49, the throw. Okay. And then I got black eye mask and hyaluronic acid. So there's 5 masks in here. Okay. This is $29. It says late nights, too many cheeky wines, and let's not forget those carb on carb delights can have our peepers looking, well, not so fresh. Leave the evidence of last night behind and pop on our activated charcoal eye mask to depuff, detox, and get back to your shiny, gorgeous self. So, I like that. I love me some masks. I can't wait to try those out. Maybe tonight. And next we got, this is funny, I was just saying to Carrie that I needed a highlighting stick for underneath my eyebrow, my brow bone, and I got one. This is the Brilliant Eye Brightener Highlighting Stick from Thrive Cosmetics. This is in the color Stella. And this was $24. It says, shine bright with long-lasting champagne shimmer powered by ring light technology. to diffuse light and define features, instantly highlights, brightens, and opens your eyes. I'm so excited. I needed one of these so bad, so, oh, yay, yay. Okay, the next I got, that's hard to read. Ooh. I got, oh, this must be what they gave me in place of the coasters. This is a serum. It's hard to read because it's white on yellow. Let's see. Ooh. So it looks like this. It's a brightening serum. Doesn't really say anything about it, so I don't know. If I can get it open. Oh, looks like that. Let's see. Not too much of a smell either, so that's good. Can't wait to see how that works out. Okay. And then, okay, the last thing in my box. Ooh. Moroccan Gold Series Intense Hair Care Treatment Mask. Intense care for dry and damaged hair. Made with pure argan oil enriched with keratin. So that's what it looks like. And I could have got this or the Bear Paw Combo Set Headband and Pop Top Glove Duo. No, I'm glad I got this. So glad I got this. Ooh, I love the packaging too. It's pretty with the brown and green on it. So I got that. So that was it. This is $49. That's crazy. I can't wait to try it. I like hair masks. So I'm excited. I love this box. I got the hair mask. I got the serum. I got the highlighter stick, which I needed that. Let's see. Got a nice tip on it. Oh, and it rolls up so you don't have to sharpen it. And it looks like this. I can't really. Glides on nice and smooth. I like that. Feels nice. So I got that. Got the beautiful necklace I'll be wearing tonight or tomorrow night to my banquet. Got the black eye masks. The coconut sugar sea whip body cream, which is wonderful. The hydration cream mask. I got the socks, the knee socks. And I got probably one of my favorite things, the blanket. You can never have too many of these. So I'm so excited. This is what I got. I love it. I'm just excited to have that. And I'm so glad I got this box. It is a $50 a month seasonal box. It comes every 3 months. There's a spring, summer, fall, and winter box. This one was the winter 2018 box. I can't wait to see what the next one is. If this one was as good as this, I'm excited. So if you like this, don't forget to hit the subscribe and like button. Turn on the notifications if you want to see what we have coming in the future. We have a couple cool boxes, food subscription boxes and that. And thank you.